Popular dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta released from prison. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta is now a free man. He was released on Thursday from the Horizon Adult Remand Center about 11 a.m. He served at least 2 years and 3 months in prison after a gun possession conviction in 2021. The artist's manager Heavy D confirms that the Spartan soldier artist is now a free man. Yes, he's out, Heavy D, whose real name is Junior Fraser, told reporters. In March 2021, Tommy Lee Sparta had been sentenced to a total of 5 years in relation to the seizure of an illegal gun. The courts had sentenced the popular dancehall entertainer to 3 years imprisonment for illegal possession of firearm and 2 years for illegal possession of ammunition. He had pleaded guilty to both offenses. The sentences run concurrently, so he would only serve 3 years. Tommy Lee Sparta was arrested in December 2020 after he was found with an illegal firearm along Woodburn Avenue in New Kingston. He was held by members of the police SWAT division. He was subsequently charged and brought before the courts. Entertainer was represented by attorney at law Tom Tavares Finson QC and Donahue Martin. Tommy Lee, whose real name is Leroy Russell, is known for hit songs such as Blessing and Spartan Soldier. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.